In this video, we will look at some of the best smartphone gimbals on AliExpress. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which is in your budget range. Okay, so let's get started. Number 5. AliExpress 3-Axis Handheld Gimbal Stabilizer. The AliExpress Smart XE 3-Axis Handheld Gimbal Stabilizer offers an exceptional user experience with all necessary certifications. This upgraded model is designed to provide superb performance at a great value. For major filming modes, eliminate photographic learning anxiety for filming modes that cater to most filming needs. Easily execute various camera motion skills right at your fingertips. Focus wheel and push rod. Equipped with a professional focus wheel and push rod, supporting real-time zooming and fine focus adjustment. Perfect for capturing both scenic and portrait shots with precision. Upgraded magnetic mobile clip. Features integrated magnetic induction sheets on the mobile clip feed, supporting 180 flip and 1 second absorption. Includes dual fill lights, ensuring your selfies always stand out. Ultra-compact RGB magnetic fill light. Offers various colors and an ultra-compact design. Number 4. Anker HQ6 Gimbal. The Anker HQ6 Gimbal for smartphone is designed to enhance your mobile photography and videography experience with its impressive array of features. Adjustable fill light. Equipped with an adjustable fill light that offers 3 colors in a flash mode to ensure perfect lighting in any situation. 3-axis foldable design. The foldable design makes it compact and portable, ideal for on-the-go filming. App support. Compatible with the Gimbal Show app, providing enhanced functionality and control. Zoom slider. Features a zoom slider that works seamlessly once connected to the app. Number 3. Aady M6 Gimbal. The Aady M6 Gimbal is a powerful smartphone stabilizer designed to enhance your filming experience. It features an innovative AI tracker that performs smooth face and body tracking without the need for a Bluetooth connection or app limitations. This makes it an excellent choice for content creators who value convenience and efficiency. 7th Gen Steady Stabilization Algorithm. Equipped with the latest 7th Gen Steady Stabilization Algorithm, the Aady M6 offers upgraded 3-axis stabilization into Steady 7.0 anti-shake technology. This advanced stabilization system ensures that your footage remains smooth and steady, making it ideal for both amateur and professional videographers. And limited shooting angle. One of the standout features of the Aady M6 is its newly developed Inception mode. This mode allows you to rotate your phone 360 vertically and infinitely, providing you with unlimited creative possibilities for your video recordings. Best of all, you can use this feature without any app limitations. Redefine mobile photography. The Aady M6 Gimbal is designed to accommodate a wide range of filming needs. Number 2. Scorp Mini 2. The Scorp Mini 2 is a cutting-edge gimbal designed to elevate your smartphone filmmaking experience. The Scorp Mini 2 features an advanced AI tracking sensor that automatically recognizes and tracks subjects, ensuring your camera stays focused on moving targets. This functionality enhances the precision and quality of your footage, making it ideal for dynamic shooting environments. Upgraded quick release system. With the newly designed quick release plate, the Scorp Mini 2 simplifies device installation. This feature allows you to easily attach and detach your smartphone, enhancing portability and making the gimbal more convenient to use on the go. 1.3-inch OLED screen. The integrated 1.3-inch OLED touchscreen offers intuitive control, allowing you to switch between different recording modes and adjust settings in real time with a simple touch. This user-friendly interface streamlines your filming process and ensures you can make quick adjustments as needed. Multifunctional zoom knob. The multifunctional zoom knob provides precise control over rolling, panning, and tilting angles. With a quick rotation of the magic wheel, you can also adjust the camera's focus and control the focus follow accessory, giving you comprehensive control over your shots. Ergonomic integrated handle. The Scorp Mini 2's T-shaped handle is ergonomically designed to fit comfortably in your hand. Number 1. Aady M6 Handheld Gimbal Stabilizer. The Aady M6 Handheld Gimbal Stabilizer is a revolutionary tool designed to elevate your smartphone videography experience. Packed with advanced features and cutting-edge technology, this gimbal ensures smooth and professional quality footage with ease. Equipped with an innovative AI tracker, the Aady M6 Stabilizer performs flawless face and body tracking without the need for Bluetooth connection or app limitations. This feature ensures your subject stays in focus. Thanks for watching, and that's for all this video. If you liked this video and it helped in any way, please give this video a like. And if you don't want to miss out on any future videos, subscribe to the channel.